that!
So, you're one, I'm one. What is a character? What makes you different from me?
It's not hard.
Well, your experiences. From when you were born up until now, it's more than likely that your experiences in your life have been very different from mine. So that's it. A character is a collection of experiences.
If you lower your arm, we will shoot you.
Well, that's not quite it, because where are those experiences now? Where are your experiences now? Where are mine? They're stored in our heads as thoughts.
Because you are an interesting person.
So more precisely we can say, a character is a collection of experiences and the thinking that's created as a result of them, as a result of those experiences.
This was in the Chicago Tribune. Did you say this?
Sure, I said it.
If I'm going to create a character in a play, first of all I need to read the play at least twice, if not 3 or 4 times, and look at how that character behaves, because that behaviour will be a visible manifestation of the character's thinking. And I'm speaking about this in very basic terms.
Da können sich seine Leute bei ihm bedanken.
So from the visible behaviour of the character, we can deduce the thinking, and from the thinking we can probably come up with some experiences that that character went through in their life up until the point they are at in the play.
What?
Experiences that fit logically with the way that they behave in the play. Experiences that have formed their character and made them what they are now. Because those experiences created thinking that became part of their consciousness.
I think about it a lot.
And not only were these thoughts created in the past and obviously became part of the consciousness, but they also have a very big say in what the character wants from the future. So those experiences and what the character thought about them also dictate the character's purposes, what they want from the future, what makes them happy, or what they think will make them happy.
Why so certain?
Trust me.
So that's an explanation of what a character is and how you would, in very basic terms, start to go about creating one in a play or a film or audio drama or whatever it is you're doing. If you got some value from this video, please take a second to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new content. Thank you.